This is Father Richard Holland from Kingston, Jamaica. August 19th, our island Jamaica had a most awful, most terrible hurricane. The whole island has been devastated, and particularly the ghetto, where missionaries of the poor live and work among the poorest of people. Every home, practically, in the ghetto has had its roof destroyed. We're trying to rebuild many of the homes with $250, which will provide for us roofing, zinc, plyboard, and also food. If each one could send us $250, that will be a great blessing in the name of Christ and our Catholic Church in serving the poorest of our people.